हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमें स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन सेवन सीएमए फाइनल एसएफएम। ओके, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट का इलस्ट्रेशन है। प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन पढ़िएगा। आप प्लीज रीड क्वेश्चंस। ओके, प्लीज read the question here. What is the questions? Illustration number 7. This is the one of the most important classes, and this question is one of the most important classes. One of the most important. The solution of these questions has been given in your book. That is not correct. Most of the questions solutions are not correct in your book. Please concentrate these questions here. Look at. The following table shows the interest rate exchange rates for the USA dollar and French franc. USA dollar and French franc. The spot exchange rate is this. Spot exchange rate French franc per dollar. That is dollar one equal to, this is the French franc 7.05. This is your spot rate. This spot rate is given. Now dollar interest rate annually, this is the given annually compounded. Actually it should be written annually compounded. This is the annually compounded. This is a dollar interest rate. This is a French franc interest rate. You have to fill the all the missing data. All the missing data you have to fill here. Okay, all the missing data you have to fill. Now the question is, you have to calculate forward French franc for dollar. Forward French franc for dollar. Then how will you calculate the forward rate? This is the FRSR divided by 1 plus interest of the other currency, 1 plus interest of the same currency. Other currency means that currency which is a number of unit. That currency which is a number of unit. Number of unit means this is the dollar. Dollar is a unit currency and French franc is a number of units. Why? Because of in $1 you are getting 7.05 French franc. In $1 that is a 7.05 French franc. That is a number of unit. This is said to be number of unit. This is said to be single unit. Okay, single unit. So you have to write the interest of the currency which has a number of unit. That is the interest rate of French franc. Now 1 plus interest rate of dollar. What is the interest rate of French? 1 plus 0.1125. This is a for 3 month. This is a for 3 month divided by 12 into 3. 1 plus 0.1925 divided by 12 into 3. Here the spot rate, in the place of a spot rate you will write 0, and in this way you will calculate the forward rate. The solution is not correct. The solution is not correct because of here it is written annually affected. Annually affected. What this means? Annually affected. What this means? Annually affected means what? Interest rate as well as time period you have to make per annum. Interest rate and time period you have to make per annum. This is the wrong solution which we have done. In this case, interest rate and time period should be in annually. Suppose 3 month. How will change the 3 month in annual? How will change in 3 month in annual? The 3 by 12 year. You can write this 3 by 12 year. That is 0.25 year. 0.25 year. So this is the wrong solution. What will be the correct solution in this case? Forward rate divided by a spot rate. In the place of a spot rate, this is a 7.05. 1 plus 0.1125 divided, this is annually compounded. This is the interest rate per annum. This is the annually. This is the interest rate per annum. This, so this is already in annual term. This is already in annual term. This is already in annual term. But because of 3 month you have to change in 12. 1 plus interest rate 0.1925. This is the for annual. This is already interest annual. This is a 3 month. 3 by 12. This is a per annum. Ultimate 1.01 1.1 plus 0 point, this is written 1.1125, this is 1.1925, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 you have to do, 1 by 4. How will you calculate this 1 by 4? If you will take 2 times root, if you will take 2 times root, then answer of this will come. Because of 1 time root a, that equal to a to the power 1 by 2, and 2 time root a to the power 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2, this become a to the power 1 upon 4. When you will take 2 times root, then answer of this will get. Okay, answer of this you will get. So now I'm going to solve the question inversely compounded effected that you have to apply in this question, inversely compound effect that you will have to apply in these questions. Okay, I'm going to solve the questions as per not your book, as per correct answers which is given in CA final study materials. Okay, now taking 3-month column, 3 months column, working note first, calculation of 3-month forward rate, forward rate, spot rate 1 plus interest rate of French franc, 1 plus interest rate of dollar. Look at it, there are two types of formula. One type of formula is, and other type of formula is here, a spot rate, forward rate, 1 plus interest rate the other currency, 1 plus interest rate the same currency. Please try to understand. Whenever you are going to use this formula, whenever you are going to use this formula, that you have to write interest rate of that currency. You have to write here interest rate of that currency which is in single unit, which is in single unit, which is in single unit. Like in $1 equal to French franc, $1 equal to French franc 7.05. In this case, what you will write here? In this case, a spot rate 7.05, forward rate you have to calculate 1 plus interest rate of dollar you will write, 1 plus interest rate of dollar you will write, you will have to write, and 1 plus interest rate of the French franc you will have to write. When you will start from a spot rate upon forward rate, a spot rate upon forward rate, you will have to write an interest rate of single unit currency, and in this case interest rate of number of unit currency, number of unit. That's why the French franc is given here, because of French franc is number of unit, in number of unit. In $1 you are going to receive, in $1 you are going to receive French franc 7.05, French franc 7.05. That's why whenever a spot rate upon forward rate you will write, in that case, 1 plus interest rate of the currency which is single unit, 1 plus interest of the currency which is a number of unit. But whenever FR upon SR you will write, to 1 plus interest rate of French franc, 1 plus interest rate of dollar. Why? Whenever you will start the question forward rate upon a spot rate, in that case, here you have to write interest rate of that currency which is in number of unit, which is a number of unit. The number of unit, French franc is a number of unit, because in $1, French franc is a number of unit, because in $1 you are going to receive 7.05 French franc. Are you getting this? Then why I have taken here one interest of French franc? Because of that. Or forward rate, spot rate 7.05. 1 plus interest rate 0 French franc. What is the interest rate of French franc here? Interest rate of French franc 0.195 power 3 by 12. Here 1 plus interest rate 115. This is also 3 by 12. Or forward rate upon 7.05, 1.195 divided by 1.115 whole, this is the power 1.195 power 1 upon 4. Similarly 1.115 to the power 1 upon 4. This is whole divided by 1 upon 4. How will you calculate the value of this? This you will calculate by using 2 times root. By using 2 times root. Then you will find this 1.052 to the power 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. This is 3-month forward rate. $1 equal to French franc 7.05 into value of this. This is the value of this is 0 point. Value of this is, what is the value of this? 1.0352, 2 times root, 1 times root and 2 times root, 1.0 this 1.0 3-month forward rate. 1.195 divide 1.115, 1.07. This is wrong. 1.0717, 1.0717, 0717, 2 times root 1.0 1.01747. Thereafter you will calculate French franc into 7.05, 7.17. So this is your first answer from working note first, 7.17. This column you have put 7 working note first, 7.17. This is your working note first. Now you have to calculate forward discount percentage per year. Now working note 3. Working note second. Calculation of forward discount of French franc when dollar is in single quote. Please try to understand. Dollar is a single quote. Please try to understand. The formula forward discount or premium when other currency number of unit, that is the forward rate spot rate upon spot rate into 100. This is the formula. When other currency is in single unit, in that case a spot rate upon forward rate is applied. This I have taught in a very good manner in my concept class, and this is must you have to keep in your mind. When in other currency in single unit, then in that case you will apply this. When other currency number of unit, in that case it is applied. So here please try to understand here. In this case, single unit, when dollar is a single unit, we are going to calculate discount of French franc. We have to see the number currency dollar, whether this is in a single unit or whether this is in number of unit. If it is in number of unit, then you will write. If it is in number of unit, then you write the first one formula. If it is in a single unit, then you write this one formula. In the given case, dollar is a what? Dollar 1 equal to French franc 7.05. In the exported, this is dollar is a single unit. That's why you will have to apply this one formula, single unit formula. Export rate minus forward rate upon forward rate into 100. But this is for 3 months, that's why divided by 3 and multiply by 12. What a spot rate you have? A spot rate 7.05, 7.17 we have already calculated, and this is a 7.17 into 400, 0.12 divided by 7.17 into 400. This is the minus 6.69%. That is, in 3 months, French franc depreciated by 6.69%. Why? Because of this negative, it is a depreciation. If it would be positive, it would be the premium, 6.9%. So here, working note 2, you will get minus 6.69. That is the working note second. This is the working note second. Now from working note 1 and working note 2, you have calculated for 3 month data. Now for 6 month data, you have to calculate it. For 6 month data, you have to keep this formula in mind. Now 6 months data you have to fill. 6 month data. Look at in this question, what you have to calculate here. You have to calculate here interest rate as well as this discount. So first you have to calculate forward rate. Calculation of forward rate. Working note 3. Calculation of 6 month forward rate. Discount of French franc when dollar is single unit. What is the formula in this case? A spot rate minus FR French forward rate into forward rate. That is the 100. This is the for 6 months. 12. A spot rate you have 7.05. This is your X. Suppose forward rate is X. This is your 200, and this equal to given minus. What is the minus here? Minus for the 6 month, 6.3 minus 6.3. So this is 200 minus 6.3, or 7.05 minus X upon X, that is minus 6.3 divided by 200. This will be minus 0.0315. 6.3 divided 200 minus 0.0315 or 7.05 minus x minus 0.0315 or 7.05 x minus 0.0315 x, and this is 0.9685 x, or x equal to 6 month forward rate, 6 month forward rate, that equal to 7.05 divided by 0.9685 into 7.05, 7.28. You can write here 7.279, that equal to 7.28. That is 6 month forward rate. $1 equal to French franc 7.28. 7.28. Now under this working note you calculated 7.28. This is the working note 3. Now you have to calculate interest. You have to calculate interest. How will you calculate the interest? Okay. Now working note 4. Calculation of interest of dollar in 6 month column. $6 French franc. French franc. Interest of French franc in 6 month column. FRA, forward rate, spot rate, 1 plus interest rate of French franc, 1 plus interest rate of dollar. So because of it is a number forward rate upon a spot rate, you have to write the number of units interest rate. Here number of unit interest rate, here single currency interest rate. Okay, so 1 plus interest rate of French franc you have to find. A 1 plus interest rate of dollar already given. That interest rate is 0.1225. Because of it is compounded annually, it is compounded annually. Time period you have to change in year. Forward rate we have calculated 7.28. A spot rate it is already 7.05. This equal to 1 plus x 1.1225. This is 1 by 2, or x squaring both side. X squaring both sides. So after dividing you will get here 1.0326 x square 1 plus x divided by 1.1225. After x squaring you will get 1.0663, or 1 plus x equal to 1.0663 into 1.1225. After multiplying this you will get 1.1969, 1.1969, or x equal to 1.1969 minus 1 0.1969, that equal to 19.69%. 19.69%. So this is the working note fourth. From working note fourth you will get here 19.69%. 19.69%. This is the working note for you calculate. Now it is for 1 year. Interest rate you can calculate, discount rate as well as you will can calculate. Now working note 5, using 1 year data. Working note 5. Let's try to understand working note 5. Calculation of discount of French franc. Calculation of discount of French franc when dollar is in single unit. Single unit. What is the formula when dollar is a single unit? A spot rate minus FR upon FR into 100. A spot rate you have 7 point, look at here in 6 year column. This is your 7.526 1 year forward rate. A spot rate is this 7.05. 7.05 minus this forward rate 7.52. 7.52 into 100. Look at here, minus 6.25%. This is a very simple. In this case 6.25 minus 6.25%. Working note 5. This is the working note 5. Now you have to calculate interest of dollar. Working note 6. Working note 6. Calculation of interest rate of dollar. Forward rate, spot rate, 1 plus interest rate. Interest other currency, interest the same currency. You have to write interest rate of that currency which is number of unit. The French franc is a number of unit. 1 plus interest rate of dollar. Now forward rate you have already calculated here 7.52, a spot rate 7.05. This is the 1 plus interest rate dollar, that is interest rate French franc 0.20. Interest rate dollar you have to calculate, or 1 plus interest rate dollar equal to 1.02, 7.05, 7.05, 7.52, or interest rate dollar equal to 1.125 minus, this is the 1.125 minus 1, 0.125, that is interest rate of dollar equal to 12.5%. This is the one of the most important questions I have completed logically. The answer of your book is a totally wrong without any concepts. Okay beta? Okay, see you in next class, next illustration. Okay, thank you class.